Zimbabwe's social media erupted on Friday after Baloyi posted a throwback image of herself as a major in 2006, exactly 20 years ago, triggering a wave of reactions over career progression in the military. Baloyi bombs internet with the peak proving Sean's promotion too fast. Don't go subscribe or like on the bell icon. Baloyi's 20-year climb sparks storm as Mnangagwa's sons rises in under 4. The post described by Baloyi as priceless quickly went viral, but it was not just nostalgia that caught public attention. It was the contrast. Online users immediately drew comparisons between Baloyi's 2-decade journey through the ranks and the rapid rise of President Mnangagwa's son, Sean Mnangagwa, who has been elevated to Lieutenant Colonel in less than 4 years. The juxtaposition ignited debate. 2006, far from 2026, wrote one user, while another remarked, ma'am, you should be a general by now. You have only moved 2 steps. Others were more direct. One merely could never capturing the growing sentiment around perceived inequality. Some defended the traditional pace of military progression, noting that moving from a major to colonel over 20 years is consistent with the standard service structures. Critics argue the comparison exposes deeper questions around merit, influence, and privilege within Zimbabwe's military hierarchy. As one commentator put it bluntly, what took here 20 years as his son achieved under 4. The viral moment has now reignited scrutiny over promotion criteria in the armed forces, turning a personal memory into a national conversation about power, fairness, and the true cost of rank. The viral moment is now reignited scrutiny over promotion criteria. Toma developments and mudashtoka panguva ino vanhu vachikomenta vanyasona kuti Baloyi, she came from a long way. Panguva ino uchinwa kunzi the president's son Sean Mnangagwa elevatewa kubva kuZVAITWA kunosvika kuna lieutenant colonel within 4 years. But panguva ino kunwa kunzi Baloyi anozikanwa kunzi she is in military intelligence for 20 years. Kunyange zvake panguva ino the army support nazoratidza kuti she came from a long way. Pena comment section medu dzafungira ini mari kudiva musoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like chitwa na bell icon.